we are looking at how to say, how to pronounce the word sex in Korean. How do the Koreans say sex in their language in Korean? This is how it is spelled or written. How do you say it though? In Korean, sex is said as sexa, sexa, pretty similar to English. Sexa is how to say sex in Korean, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to say sex in other languages and how to say more interesting and often confusing words that many mispronounce. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.